In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google Calendar into your WordPress site. This process is simple and effective if you want to share your calendar with a broader audience online. Let's dive in and get started. First, open Google Calendar in your preferred web browser. Once you're in, it's time to identify which specific calendar you want to embed. Typically, people have multiple calendars, like one for personal use and another for work. Make sure you're focused on the one you want your audience to see on your site. Next, move your cursor to the section where your calendars are listed. Beside the calendar you want to work with, you'll notice a set of 3 vertical dots. Clicking on these dots will open up more options for you. From here, choose the Settings and Sharing option. This is where you'll manage the preferences that allow your calendar to be visible the way you want it. Now, within the settings, look for Access Permissions for Events. Here, you'll want to ensure you check the box labeled Make Available to Public. Keep in mind, making your calendar public means anyone with the link can view the events, so only select this if you're comfortable with sharing these details openly. It's a precautionary measure just to make sure you're sharing what you intend to. Once that's set, glance over to the left sidebar again and click on Integrate Calendar. This is a crucial part as it will provide you with the embed code needed for WordPress. When you scroll a bit, you will find a section featuring the embed code. Copy this link because you'll need it in just a moment. If you prefer to adjust certain elements like the size, color, or settings of how your calendar appears, click on Customize before moving on. This offers you more control over how your calendar looks on your site. After making any changes, remember to copy the newly generated embed code as it would have changed based on your customizations. With the embed code in hand, let's move over to your WordPress site. Begin by pressing the plus icon, which you use to add new blocks. In the search bar that appears, type Google Calendar. You should see the option popping up quickly. All you have to do is click on it. The next step is pasting the embed code that you copied from Google Calendar into the text field provided. Once pasted, you'll notice your calendar seamlessly appearing on your WordPress page. It's that straightforward. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar is now embedded on your WordPress site, visible and ready for your audience to see. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for enhancing your website's functionality.